So for today, we are going to install a new quick release steering wheel, MOMO, NRG hub, everything on my 2002 EP3. So stay with me, y'all, stay with me. I had this quick release for about 2 weeks now. Figured that today was a good time to do that install. So right now I'm taking out these two T30s on both sides of my steering wheel so I can take out my airbag and keep going with the disassembly. If anyone needs an EP3 airbag, hit me up, hit me up. It's time for me to take this nut off. It's a 19 mil. Just gonna draw it back just a little bit. Leave a couple. Literally, y'all, nothing is easy to get off this fucking car.
Relax.
Oh, here we go. Okay. Patience, my son, patience. There's a Phillips head screw I gotta remove, y'all. Yay, got it out, y'all, got it out. Okay, got that on there. Just gonna screw this shit back down. All right, now I'm about to tap into the horn wire so I can wire up my horn and shit. If you're still here, I appreciate y'all. Stay tuned. Stay locked in with your boy. Now I got another piece of wire that I'm about to run from that with one of these little clips on the end of it. I mean, these little connectors. All right. Finally got this shit wired up. Got the steering wheel on, y'all. So my GoPro had died, got too hot, but finished the install nevertheless. Messed up on my horn, but it's all right. I can go back and redo it. It's no big deal. But this should be it for the video, y'all. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Every time is a good time. Love making these videos. Gonna crank out more content as we move along. And, you know, just keep rocking with your boy.